and welcome everyone to this brief session on enterprise modernization. My name is Abraham Rauf and I hope you find this presentation useful. Let's get to know our topics for this session. We shall get to know what enterprise modernization is. We shall learn what benefits it holds. We shall discuss some popular modernization tools like IBM HATS, EGL and RMEI, and modernization with RoyalCyber, IBM's premier business partners and authorized trainers for the past 13 years. So what is enterprise modernization? Well, simply put, web enabling a legacy enterprise is referred to as modernization of the enterprise. It's about transforming legacy IT assets into e-business components, thereby enabling them to meet the requirements of emerging business processes. Existing mainframe and legacy systems are web-enabled using modern techniques in order to achieve efficiency, ease of use, and a quality look and feel. You may want to know if there is another way, like replacing the legacy instead of modernizing it. Well, it is important to note that over 200 billion lines of COBOL and RPG code resides on legacy systems worldwide. Not only would it take a fortune to replace that, but it would also be risky to tamper with systems which are robust and tried and tested over decades. So you may wonder, with the same legacy systems, what exactly would modernization achieve? Well, the answer to that question is that our enterprise would attain all the features of a technologically advanced application. For example, it would have achieved the unification and display of data from different screens, databases, or other host applications onto a single beautiful web page. It would have achieved the efficiency of going to the screen of your choice with a single click of the mouse. And of course, the ease to learn and adapt quickly, resulting in reduced training costs and employee satisfaction. Well, achieving these results with the same decades-old system sounds good. We like the outcome, but what's the solution that leads to it? Let us discuss some popular tools and technologies used to accomplish modernization of the legacy enterprise. We shall get to know IBM HATS, EGL, and RMEI. One of the most popular and effective modernization tools is IBM HATS, the Host Access Transformation Service. The Host Access Transformation Service is a powerful toolkit which employs an advanced screen scraping mechanism. It is a rule-based web-to-host and host-to-web transformation engine which would convert your green screens into beautiful web pages in no time. Since it is non-invasive, there is no risk involved around the residing business logic. HATS default rendering features allow you to webify all your green screens in as less as 10 minutes. It then allows you to customize the pages according to your requirements. You can create pages which share the same theme and style with your existing corporate standards. You may also create composite applications which would display data from many other sources onto a single page. From the toolkit to the programming language, meet EGL, the Enterprise Generation Language. EGL is a high-level business-oriented programming language designed by IBM to be platform-independent. EGL is similar in syntax to other common languages, so it can be easily learned by developers with similar programming background. EGL development shields programmers from the technical interfaces of systems and middleware, allowing them to focus on building business functionality only. The applications and services are written, tested, and debugged at the EGL source level, and once they are functionally tested, they can be compiled into COBOL, Java, or JavaScript code to support deployment of business applications that can run in any preferred environment. EGL Rich UI allows the creation of Web 2.0 style rich internet applications. This technology simplifies development by hiding the complexities of Ajax, JavaScript, REST, and SOAP from the developer. This helps them focus on the business requirement and not on the underlying technologies. With all the benefits of EGL, a question arises. How to put it onto the mainframe? What about the resident RPG code? Should it just be replaced with EGL code, thus risking the residing business logic? Or is there another way? Migrating RPG code to EGL for further development upon it may be the solution, but then again, code migration comes with fears of its own. how can tried and tested RPG applications that have worked for years and that may be the backbone of a business be safely and efficiently migrated to EGL. This is where the rational migration extension comes in handy. RMEI enables you to safely migrate the residing RPG and COBOL code to EGL. Once done, the EGL code can then be compiled back into RPG or COBOL for deployment onto the mainframe. With the technology and tools available, the only other thing needed is the hand of the expert. Royal Cyber is a Chicago, USA-based global IT firm with offices in the Americas, Europe, and Asia. Royal Cyber is the #1 choice of corporations seeking to modernize their enterprises without consuming considerable funds. Royal Cyber employs over 100 consultants, all trained and certified by the US. Our team not only caters to development requirements, but is also engaged in providing trainings, on-site as well as online. Let's have a look at one of Royal Cyber's case study to show the results of modernization. Here, we were tasked with the modernization of an enterprise operation since decades. The enterprise deployed with our client no longer met the efficiency and usability requirements of their growing business. Have a look at a sample green screen they worked on. Looks dull and boring to start with. Also, with data scattered over hundreds of similar screens, it took some doing traveling from one of these to the other. They weren't good on the budget either. Training new resources on these screens consumed significant resources annually. Now have a look at the results achieved with IBM HATS. Our client managed to webify all the green screens, keeping its corporate standards intact. Not only did the new web pages give excellent look and feel, but they also provide a unified desktop with links to all of the pages in the form of side menus and drop-downs. With IBM HATS, our client now has applications which meet its usability and efficiency demands, resulting in an increased percentage of returning and new customers. Training new employees is far easier and cheaper for them now. Exactly what they were looking for. That will be all. Thank you very much for joining us. If you have a few questions unanswered regarding your enterprise or are seeking trainings or expert help on an already purchased software, please let us know. We would love to speak with you and offer our experience and knowledge. Till the next session, bye-bye.